You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. Thank you for taking the time to click this, watch this video. Hopefully I may be of some help to you. Today we're going to be changing out the cab airbags on a my 2006 Freightliner Classic, but wipe my face off. Hot as hell. This procedure may work on some FLD120s as well too, depending on which setup you have. So this is the setup I have. There's some ones that have the two little smaller bags closer in. I have with the shocks, you know, in a different orientation, but this is the one I have. So I'll sit you guys down right here. I'll show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna need my pry bar. We're gonna need my needle noses to help me. I'm gonna use my hand though. Hopefully I can just pop out the quick connect fitting. And we're gonna need our new cab airbag. This is the bottom. Quick connect fitting goes in the bottom. This is the top. It guides itself in. So hold on here and we're gonna go ahead and start this process. So hopefully I can do this one by hand, hopefully. Let's see. Sometimes you can just kind of, let's see, push in. If all else fails, I'll just take it out from the valve. Let's see. Usually should come loose right about here. You guys can see now. It's gonna bleed out from there. But that's all right though. I have my wood right here to keep the cab together. So what we're gonna do now is, that's why I put this wood right here to hold this right for a quick second. Actually, I pinch this line off, but I can't pinch the line off because I took the whole thing out. So we're gonna go ahead now and go retaining clip, notice. Like that. Just like that, she came out. We're gonna now punch this line in. One second guys, I'm gonna get this line out of here and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you can see this is the top part, this is the bottom. You hear it kind of whistling at you. Now you can see I sprayed some penetrating on this. I tried everything to get this out the fitting, so I just went ahead and just cut it right there and called it a day. So now I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how we put the new one on. So that's right here. You can go however you want to go, but let's see, okay, like this. So we'll go ahead now. Has the two tabs at the bottom that's going to lock in. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and press it. Okay, yep, she's about locked in there. Okay. Now we're going to just kind of finesse her in here. To actually kind of raise my cab back up, that'd be helpful. Hold on one second, let me raise my cab back up, guys. Hold on one second. Crank my truck up real quick to build some air pressure. As you guys can see, I aired that airbag up, so now let's see if we can get this in a whole lot easier now. Without having to use a jack. Yep, my wood came out, so let's see. Yep, see that? first one, Now let's get to the second one. Okay, now on the last one. Now, in the event you do not have a jack, this method will work perfect for you. I have a jack, I just don't. I mean, I use the wood. I just don't feel like going through all that. So, what I did on this one, I tried to release the line. It wouldn't come out. So I just went ahead and just cut it. So we're going to, see that? It just slides out, lift it up. Just a little bit that I cut off. I have extra line on here. And plus, if I need to buy more line, it's fairly cheap to do. Clean that off real quick. Go ahead. I have right now the line pinched off, and I have the valve on shut, so it won't try to fill. So we're gonna go ahead now. We're gonna go ahead and sit this up in here. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. All right, sorry about that, guys. But you got the gist of it. Let me show you the finished product now. Look at those in there looking good. Alrighty. Got this one right here, completely done. They look pretty good in there. Still plenty of line left. If not, like I said, if your line won't come out, you just want to get new line. My lines, I can tell, have been replaced. The lines will probably run you a few dollars, if that, to get brand new lines. But yep, they're in there, perfectly seating good. Everything looks all as well. I'm gonna do the cab shocks next. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you the carnage. So show you. So this is the one that did not have to be changed. I mean, neither one of them were really leaking, but let's see. See, look, so we have, see some of those dry rot, cracking and whatnot. And then the worst one, let me get this for you, was this one. So let's go ahead here so you guys see. Hold this light like this. So it was only a matter of time. So better safe than sorry. So yeah, just showed you guys how to change these. If you do not have a jack handy, just have you some wood. You clamp the hose off like I did with your hand, or you can use a set of vice grips, whatever works best. Pinch the line off, use the other one to lift the cab up, and it should take you about 10 minutes per bag. So like I said, you could have been anywhere else, but you tuned in with me. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.